Welcome to New Beginnings, which is the title of this meditation today. It's beautiful that I get to share these moments with you at any time of your day. I am Carolina, your guide in this walking meditation, and I am grateful to share these moments with you as we explore this new beginning together. Well, if you are ready, we can get started. As you begin to walk, take a moment to find your rhythm. You can walk at a pace that feels comfortable for you, whether it is slow and mindful or a bit quicker. With each step you take, allow yourself to settle into this practice. Feel the ground beneath your feet, connecting you to the earth. As we walk, we will explore what new beginnings mean in our lives. Remember, we don't have to wait for a new season, a new year, or a new month. You have the power to create new beginnings in every single moment. Let's embark on this journey together. Feel your hands relaxed by your sides or gently resting in front of you. You can keep your gaze soft or looking ahead or down at the ground as you walk. Begin to notice your breath. Feel your inhale as it fills your lungs. And notice your exhale as it releases. With each step, let your breath guide you, aligning with the rhythm of your movement. As you walk, consider a new beginning in your life. Is there something you want to start? Something that needs to begin again? Take a moment to notice how that feels in your body. Pay attention to any sensations, emotions, or thoughts that arise. If you feel any tension or tightness, allow your body to soften. Release any grip you may have on your thoughts or feelings. Let your shoulders drop, relax your jaw, and simply be present with yourself. Walking meditation is about maintaining your well-being. It's a practice not just to get better at meditating, but to get better at living. Even a few minutes of mindful walking can greatly benefit your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. So as you continue to walk, focus on your breath. Let it be your anchor. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. As you breathe in, imagine inviting in the energy of new beginnings. And as you breathe out, release any fear or uncertainty about the unknown. Remember, it's okay to feel apprehensive about starting something new. Stay with your breath and gently bring your mind back whenever it wanders. in this moment, you have the power to decide to begin again. Reflect on what you would like to start or restart in your life. What do you need to embrace this new beginning? Trust, resilience, understanding, love. Allow these words and feelings to emerge from your body. As you explore this newness, take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, let go of any stiffness. Let your breath help you move more freely. What is the ingredient you need to continue or start this journey? Just notice how you begin to explore that, even if you don't have a clear answer. Simply allow yourself to be open to the possibilities. Take a nice, deep exhale, letting everything soften again. Each exhale helps regulate your nervous system, grounding you in this moment. So that's what your exhale helps you to do. So in any moment in this new beginning of yours, anytime you notice an obstacle, a hurdle, or a feeling, simply just exhale through it. Lean into it. Lean into the obstacle. Lean into the hurdle. Lean into the feeling. Lean into the challenge. Because you are so much bigger than any of those things. Again, this collaboration between your discipline and your devotion is what will propel you. Feel into that. Now, just as you focus on your breathing, keep focusing on your exhale. Feel the depth, and very gently let your hands come together into your heart chakra. Keep your body relaxed and stay in the zone with each and every step. As you feel the connection of your hands touching each other, your thumbs touching the center of your heart, recognize yourself here. Recognize the person you have become through your devotion, through your discipline, through your starting again. Because it's not new for you to start again. You are always beginning again. Like today, this morning, this afternoon, this evening, tomorrow morning. A new beginning, a new day, a new chance to be kinder and gentler to yourself first. Because it always starts with you. Feel into your palms, feel into your new beginning here, and set an intention now. With your exhale, set this intention out into the universe, into the world. As you're ready, take one last breath, one more step, and carry this sense of new beginnings with you as you continue your walk, as you continue your day. Thank you so much for joining me in this meditation. I'm Carolina, your walking meditation guide. May your light keep shining on you. Have a wonderful day.